In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kickflip Shopify 5 minutes. We'll walk through the essentials so you can go from idea to a published, customizable product inside your Shopify store with confidence. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, head to Apps. This is where all your installed tools live and where you'll launch the customization experience. Find and open your Kickflip app. If you manage multiple apps, use the search bar at the top of the apps page to locate it quickly. Inside Kickflip, begin by adding a product. Click the plus icon labeled Product. Think of this as the container for everything your shoppers will customize. A good habit here is to use a clear product name so you can easily find it later, especially if you plan to create several customized offerings. Next, set up the options your customers will interact with. Click Create Questions. Questions are the building blocks of your configurator. Each question represents a choice a shopper can make, like selecting a color, choosing a size, or adding engraving text. Keeping your questions short, specific, and in the order a customer naturally decides can make the experience feel intuitive. When prompted, select an input type. Choose the format that best fits the kind of choice you're collecting. For example, use a text field for names or engravings, a drop-down for structured lists like sizes, swatches, or image choices for colors and materials, toggles for simple yes or no add-ons, and sliders for ranges such as quantities or dimensions. Picking the right input type helps prevent mistakes and speeds up the buying process. Then select a display type. This controls how those inputs appear to shoppers. Depending on your design and product complexity, you might prefer compact drop-downs, bold buttons, or visual swatches to showcase options. Keep readability in mind. High contrast visuals and concise labels usually lead to fewer support questions. Once your question looks the way you want, click Create. This saves the question to your product's configuration. Repeat this for each option your product needs. If you ever realize a label isn't clear, you can come back and refine it. Clarity beats cleverness in customization flows. When everything is ready, click Publish. Publishing pushes your configuration live so customers can start customizing on your storefront. After publishing, view the product on your site and try a quick end-to-end test. Select options, add to cart, and verify that the details and pricing appear as expected. That's it, your Kickflip powered product is live and ready to wow shoppers.